Hey there, in this video we'll be going over facility maintenance and all the different concepts within facility maintenance so you better understand how to take care of your assets, how to increase their uptime, and ultimately how to make your facility more productive. So let's go ahead and dive in so we can learn a bit more about this subject. So, what is facility maintenance? As organizations grow, they need to operate in larger spaces with more people. As a consequence, they need to take a more strategic approach to resource management. Facility management is the name given to the organizational function that integrates people, places, and processes within a physical environment to maximize business performance and to ensure that the building's conditions will support employee productivity. It involves all behind the scenes activities necessary to create a comfortable, safe, and functional physical environment for people to work and live in a sustainable and cost effective way. While the word facility is often associated with industrial buildings, facility management is applied to every organization that has a physical space that needs to be managed, including hospitals, schools, churches, museums, offices, hotels, manufacturing plants, and even small studios, just to name a few. And to better dive in, here are some core facility management functions. So we have real estate management, which includes the sale and purchase of buildings and other leasing management activities. And then we have occupancy management, which involves CAD management of activities and chargebacks, for example. And then we have maintenance management, which is the function that covers preventive maintenance, environmental and compliance maintenance management. So a lot of areas here. And we also have several more. We have asset management, which covers assets, condition monitoring, and other activities involving the building's equipment. And we have financial and performance management, which involves budgeting and reporting, as well as building systems, which covers buildings' energy systems and automation systems. And here we'll talk about the scope of facilities management. So facility management activities are often categorized into two groups. We have hard facilities management, or hard FM, and soft facilities management, which is soft FM. Hard FM services are concerned with space and infrastructure. In other words, they focus on the physical components of the work environment. Some examples include inspecting the fire safety and lighting systems, as well as maintaining the plumbing system, maintaining the HVAC system, staying in compliance with fire safety regulations, maintaining mechanical and electrical systems, as well as any other type of maintenance. And then we have soft maintenance, which is concerned with people and organizations. It includes services that create a more comfortable, healthier, safer, and visually appealing environment. Some examples include waste management, cleaning services, space planning, as well as EHS, electronic health, EHS compliance, pest control, building security, catering, and even landscaping. All these activities are key to maintaining a productive and cost-efficient environment within your facility. The first step of implementing an effective FM program is to structure a team. Of course, the structure of a team depends on the size of the organization as well as the facility that is being managed. Now, in general, everything starts with a facility manager. When operating as a part of a smaller team, they will coordinate maintenance activities and have a lot of general input into the day-to-day activities. In a large organization, they will be focused on strategic initiatives and coordinate top-level activities with heads of different departments. Another important part of structuring the FM team is deciding whether to outsource or to build an in-house team. That depends not only on the type of facility, but also on the budget and available talent. If a business prefers to have full control over operations due to security, privacy issues, or just wants to avoid delays due to a service provider not meeting a particular deadline, an in-house facility management team is likely the best option. And usually in-house is cheaper over the long run if you have great processes and a great company. And a very popular cost-effective option is to just use a mixed approach. It entails building an in-house team of facility professionals that deal with routine tasks and then establishing contracts with licensed vendors that can deal with specialized tasks. If you're looking to implement facility maintenance, there's a lot of pieces when it comes to software that you should know and what type of software is best for your facility. So we have a CMMS, which is a computerized maintenance management system. When it comes to managing pure maintenance work, a mobile-enabled CMMS software is the best option. If you have a CAFM, a computer aided facility management, then you can use this software, but its maintenance module leaves a lot to be desired. It can be combined with the CMS software to provide better support to your maintenance team. And then we have an EAM software, Enterprise Asset Management Software. At its core, this option is used by production-oriented organizations to plan, optimize, execute, and track all maintenance activities. And then we have an IWMS software, Integrated Workplace Management Software. It offers everything you can find in a CAFM software plus some project management features, which is awesome. And then we have the BMS, or Building Management System. This one uses a combination of hardware and software solutions to control different building systems like lighting, heating, HVAC, access control, and much more. And then we also have the BSS, which is the Building Security System. The BSS is often used to detect risk, record incidents, and perform risk analysis. It can be hard to see the clear difference between some of them at first. That's because a lot of them have overlapping features. But if you're in doubt, I would go ahead and look at a CMS software first, and then enterprise asset management software, which can usually be a lot more expensive. And these are the most common when it comes to managing facilities and streamlining operations, as well as scalability. And this space has had a lot of improvement over the last couple of years. So what we've seen is CMS software is really nothing like what it used to be. And the average person having success with a CMS software, I believe, is over 90% once they go ahead and purchase it and get an ROI on it, which is absolutely incredible for people who are looking to streamline their maintenance operations with software and want some security in their purchasing decision. The best vendors offer a complete set of modules that make the facility manager's job much easier. So make sure to look at the different features that it has and see if it has all the features that you need. And of course, one of the big things is make sure to go ahead and streamline your facility management with Limble CMS if you haven't tried a CMS software yet. I hope that this video helped you understand the different types of preventive maintenance, when you should apply it, and how to maximize the value of preventive maintenance. And if you really want to take it a step further and you want to implement a CMS system to help you set up planned maintenance and checklists and everything that you need to ensure that your preventive maintenance system is run smoothly and efficiently, then go ahead and check out Limble. It does have a 30-day free trial, and you can request a demo and even do a self-demo. So it's very easy to get understanding if it's right for you. And excited for you to make your facility much more efficient and to implement a lot of these processes to help your entire team run a more cost-efficient operation, which I know everybody's always asking of the maintenance department is how can we be more cost-efficient? And there you have it. So excited for you to go ahead and do that, and we'll rock and roll.